Welcome back. We would continue our lessons. We've already put 2 objects on the scene. And now we will teach you how to pick them up in the game. Let's activate the item manager here. We input a unique item name here. And press Add button. Now you can see an item detail field has been created. You can write item description here. The local it is it used for localization if you want to. You can also set item type here. You can set item icon here. Select any item and no need to concern their size or aspect ratio. The system would show the perfect size in game. You can touch here to expand it. And now add a new item. We also give it a description. And assign it an icon. Okay, now one thing must mention. If you want the object to be effective on the scene, it has to be the same name on the scene. So, we rename these 2 batteries on the scene to Battery 1 and Battery 2. So, now it's ready to add interactive for them. We select Battery 1 and add Box Collider to it. Then, add Interactive Object Component. We interactive it directly, so, no condition required yet. We just add a Play Success Action command and assign it to Action 0. Now we add Action Component 2. And select Pickup command for it. We check Self. Means pick up self. The not remove at once is used for items which you did want to remove after pickup. This is always uses for piles, stacks, etc. Just leave it unchecked. Do the same job for another battery. Okay. We play the game and check our work. See? Items can be picked up easily. You can see item details in the item panel. Let's stop the game. We run the game again. But the item is still here. Why? This because we did not tell the system we already picked up. We require to save the state after a pickup action. So, here, in State Manager window, we add a new state parameter named Battery 1 Picked, and add a new state parameter named Battery 2 Picked. Continue work on battery 1's inspector. Before you add or delete something, it is better to click this button first to reset the game save data. Now we add state record to pick up behavior. We set battery 1 pick to 1 after you click and picked up battery 1. We need another action to auto-check every time start the game. Like in previous tutorials we did. We hide the battery on start if we find the state refers to being picked up. We give it a comment. Okay. Now we must give it an auto-check. We must confirm the battery 1 picked equals to 1 before we play the new created action command. Okay, we assign to action 1. And don't forget to check on the auto-check. We run the game again now. After we picked up, the item panel would add the new item automatically. We stop and start the game again. The action 1 here played once imminently, and the battery 1 is no more existed as we have already picked it up. Thanks for watching.